Exodus. Exodus is a crypto wallet. It allows you to send, receive, exchange cryptocurrencies with ease on the world's leading desktop, mobile, and hardware crypto wallets. All right, this right here is called a hot wallet because your crypto will be stored on its platform. There's also a thing called custodial wallets like Robinhood has, and then there are hardware wallets where you're stored offline, not connected to online at all. A new world of crypto apps. Okay, guys, Exodus allows you to stake your crypto. So, stock market terms, that is, you can receive a dividend just for staking your crypto using the Exodus wallet and the apps that they have in here. They do have a built-in exchange. They have 100 crypto assets that you can buy, sell, exchange on this platform. Here are some of those crypto right here. The onboarding process for me, how I even get my crypto into this wallet is I use crypto.com using crypto XRP to transfer. All right, guys, let's get down to it. Okay, manage your crypto mobile. Okay, control your digital assets while you're on the move with Exodus for iOS and Android. So they're gonna have this right here kind of showing you, this is actually what the platform looks like. This is the interface, this is the platform. It looks just like this. So it kind of looks like Robinhood in so many ways. So this right here is a mobile wallet. You can sync this. So I have the app, but I also have a desktop version of Exodus. So they sync all the time. So I'm always, if I'm looking at it on my mobile or if I'm looking at it on my desktop, I'm able to sync and see my currency in there. So you can exchange crypto in 2 little taps. That is true. Okay, effortless hardware security. So you can measure crypto assets in Exodus securely with your Taser hardware wallet. So you can link your hardware wallet to this wallet and you can actually manage your assets that way. If that's what you're interested in. This is actually a Taser hardware wallet right here. So I'm actually do a video over that because this is something I'm thinking about getting to go offline. So my currency will not be online. So you guys may want to see a video of that. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, but there are multiple different types of hardware wallets. That's just one version of it. There's also the Ledger Nano S. Getting back to Exodus, advanced security for your crypto made easy. This is one of their milestones. This is what makes them so good. They're not only secure, but they also allows you to manage your crypto with ease. Exodus has multiple different layers, but one of the biggest things is Exodus allows you to stake your crypto. Okay, Exodus assets between Taser and Exodus, you can exchange your assets that way. Okay, assets stay secure offline on Taser hardware wallets. That's what I was just saying. Taser allows you to store it offline and Exodus is online. It's a hot wallet. Okay, here are some of the people that use it. I guess these are well-known people. I don't really know them. Guys, let me know what you think about this wallet. Do you use it? Are you thinking about using it? Are you even in crypto? Let me know. What do you think about Exodus wallet? And I guess I'll talk to you all later.